Right now, I'm coming like nothing to because him don't want to talk. I want him to talk, what the sense? I go there and risk my life to save him. But at the end of the day, we have to pay back for give way. And we can't there and sit down and wait for him. You understand me? I say with patience, but we can't wait for him because girls are missing daily. You see what I say? We have to make a move or something will go. It just like get worse.
That's why me I send up on the apps here. So me can go and soften up pastor. The person who she supply with females, them dead. Something must come true for it. There must be a break. Because she have to feed them. And she have to keep them alive. That's why I say patience.
Yeah, man. Alright. Just a judgment, boss. What you want now? You see when me touch this up? Once me find out the females in there, me I go try to kick them out. Anybody getting on my way, me I got to make sure say me move them out of my way myself. Remember say me have a little soft but when it comes out to females. Remember me lose my sister. And remember me I grew a daughter. I mean our daughter. So you know say any man for in this have to pay. Me I go talk to you now. Now the man.
Are you saying I sleep up here?
There's a bathroom now, Barry. Will you listen, please? Thank you.
Just Bubbles, is what?
As I tell you, nowhere, never feel safe.
New space. You sleep like a baby. You get comfortable. Downstairs. Now. lack focus custodian. Whisper. Easy, don't it? So here comes the challenging part. Whisper.